Welcome to you the Research Lab YouTube channel. So today I am going to tell you how to extract data from image and compile into Excel sheet. So in this video I am going to use a software which is Get Data Graph Digitizer 2.24. I will give you a link in the description from where you can download. So now come to the software. So in this software, first of all you have to insert image. So I have taken an image from a research paper. Okay, so in this image I am going to extract data for wind direction 0 to 90. So first of all we have to define the coordinate axis. So this is x in direction and y direction heat losses. So I am choosing the x minimum at 0, the x maximum 90. Similarly for y axis the minimum value is here 500, so y minimum is 500, and the maximum value is not given in this image, so we will pick at random, like this is approx 3600. Okay, just check all the minimum value for different coordinate axis is correct or not. If it is incorrect then cancel it, and if it is correct then go for OK. Okay, then select this point capture. So at 0, as we want value at 0, y value at 0, so just go up. So at this point, yeah, correct. So you will get this value. This is 0.83 approx. We can treat at 0. So this is 2.70. Similarly for 30 degree, somewhere here. No, yeah, 30, correct. For 60 here, and for 90. Okay, so this is your data. Simply you can copy from here and open Excel. Just paste here and save it where you want. So now you have your Excel sheet. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.